Here is a stunning silver 1968 Pontiac GTO coupe with a black vinyl top. It's also equipped with a 400 CI engine and HURST dual gate shifter. This number-matching GTO had a frame on restoration. The body, engine, and transmission all done, and this car was completely disassembled and blasted, and then was reassembled. It has new body mounts, springs, all new front end, rebuilt rear end and drive shaft, and rebuilt engine. It has a 744 blueprinted Ram Air 2 cam and lifters, new OEM Gardner dual exhaust, all new interior and AC, POA value, and dryer working R12. This one is a must-see.
We're conveniently located at 241 Boston Road in Milford, Connecticut, or online 24/7 at NapoliClassics.com.